Log jam after log jam. And about halfway, well, not even halfway, I'd spent a few hours, 4 or 5 hours, climbing over log jams and stuff, and finally I come to the old canoe livery and went up there and asked them if I could get out right there and have my ride come get me, because let me tell you, I was beat down. I even at one point I had to go over log jam, and I ended up falling in the river, and I had a shoe, and I lost a shoe, and anyway, I had a dry bag with some fresh clothes in it, and that's a good thing I had them. I stripped down naked and switched out of my clothes and switched into warm clothes. Of course, then I never did find my shoe, so then I was one shoeing it around. There was a few little portages that other people had been before me. I was a trip and a half there. I had to bail out halfway because I didn't want no more. And I had been, like I said, I had been down that. See, there used to be a canoe livery about halfway between Gladwin and Beaverton, and most all the paddlers and stuff in the canoe livery, they always kept the river open. But so I haven't traveled that way yet again since that time, and I'm pretty sure it's only gotten worse because the canoe livery is not in business anymore on that part of the river. So I do come up here where I'm paddling today, but short little rides, but not the long paddles like they used to offer, like when I was a kid, even after that. In case you're wondering, I got the GoPro Hero 7 Black. I got it on a stick. I got it stuffed into my life jacket so I can paddle and still get the shot. This is another spot that you can hit. This I didn't show you, but that right there is an old where they used to drive across the river. An old trail that come across the river there. Oh, there's a deer up there. Hope you guys see it on the right hand side. There, sorry girl, didn't mean to bother you. Hope you guys got to see the deer. Now we're getting in along the road. You can hear cars up there on Oberlin Road. Oh, one nice good sized fish took off down there. This is another nice little swimming spot. Oh. You guys probably didn't see it on the camera, but there's a turtle that was on that log there. It jumped off, good sizing.